Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Candon, Ilocos. This is one of the city's hidden treasures, the Dario Ancestral House. Alam mo yung feeling na parang time travel? Ganun yung vibe dito. This house was built around 18th or 19th century pa. Imagine, ilang generations na ang dumaan dito.
Autonary. Ang kanong umay ni Father dito. Kagaya. Ay, ang ganda ng ceiling niya.
Cowboy bebop din ako.
Dati, this was the home of the Dario and the Gia families. Ngayon, bahagi na siya ng heritage list ng Candon, meaning officially recognized as a cultural treasure.
Habay. Halo kasi titagaw ini.
Kung titignan nyo, classic talaga yung design. Tapis windows, old wooden details, makikita mo rin sa iba't ibang lumang bahay dito sa Ilocos. Pero, iba pa rin yung charm dito kasi it feels more lived in, more personal. What I love about places like this is parang they hold untold stories. Every wall, every window, may kwento. And standing here, you just can't help but wonder, Ano kaya ang buhay noon? Sino kaya yung tumingin sa parehong bintana hundreds of years ago?
Dapat jibangir.
For me, heritage houses like the Dario House remind us to slow down, appreciate our roots, and connect with history in a very personal way. Kaya kung mapapadaan kayo dito sa Candon, make sure to stop by kasi minsan the best story